What is up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaleesa John, and if you're watching this video, then you want to know how to promote your self-published books so that they get more sales, specifically those on Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, Nalea, can you stop? Now, full disclaimer, I am not one of those self-proclaimed KDP expert, nor is my channel centered around KDP and self-publishing, but I did post a video where I talked about my experience and how I was able to publish my books on KDP, and a lot of you asked me for promotional strategies, so that's what I'll be sharing in this video. By the way, now is the perfect time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Now, before we jump into the promotional strategies, I want to just quickly share with you guys some of the books that I have published through KDP that are available on Amazon right now. And the first one is my content planner for social media. The video you guys are actually watching, I used this planner to plan out the entire layout, my script, and everything else. So if you're looking for a content planner, consider this one a great buy. The other book I want to show you guys, it's one of my notebooks. The illustration at the front was drawn by me, and then it has like all these colorful scrunchies at the back. Very girly, very cute. And the third one is a notebook because I love journaling. I love writing down my to-do list. I love all of that stuff. And this one, another illustration drawn by me. Now, all of these books will be linked in the description for you guys if you want to purchase them. No, Leah. Stop it. Go buy my book on Amazon if you want it. Okay, but you gotta buy it on Amazon if you want it, okay? You can't just come take away my books. Strategy number 1, host a launch event. Now, this could be an in-person event or a virtual event. If you're doing an in-person event, the great thing about that is that people have the opportunity to interact with your book, to pick it up, touch it, feel it, flip through the pages, and then they're more likely to make a purchase then and there at the event. If you're doing a virtual event on social media, you can use platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram. And during the live stream, during the live stream, you want to make sure that you're telling people where they can purchase your book, whether it's at, a bookstore locally, or you have the link to your Amazon KDP page for that book in your bio. Strategy number 2, leverage social media. Post about your book on every social media platform that you're on, from Instagram to TikTok. Talk about your book on Twitter. Share photos of your book on Pinterest. Create YouTube videos talking about your book. In my case, I talk about my books almost every single day on Instagram stories, and I show people what I'm writing in my notebooks. I give them prompts. I show them how I use my content planner. I show them how I use my monthly planner and my weekly planner. And I always include a link back to that book that I'm talking about or that I'm showing that day on my stories, back to the page on Amazon. Strategy number 3, influencer marketing. Now, to do this, you're going to want to send free copies of your book to popular content creators that your target audience might be following. For example, if you wrote a children's novel, then you want to send free copies of your book to mommy bloggers so that they can take really cute pictures of their kids reading your book, or they can mention it in their stories. But make sure that they always link back to your Amazon page where that book can be found, or maybe they link back to your social media page where people can find the book. Hey, if you like the tips that I shared in this video, then leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these strategies you will be using to promote your KDP books.